text messaging. We text message more than any other form of communication, way more than phone calls or email messages or social media messaging. We're doing it all the time, probably all day long with all kinds of people. One of the challenges with text messaging is the messaging resides in the device, whether it's iPhone or Android. There's a problem that a lot of us are facing, and that is sometimes we want to capture that text message, or more importantly, the entire thread, and we want to save it. We want to put it off somewhere so we don't lose it. Now, the only way most of us have found to do that is to do screenshots. Do a screenshot of the text message that we can see on the screen. There is another little cool tactic you can do as well, and that is on the devices you could do a screen record, not just screen photo, but screen record, and you can scroll through the text message on your device to be able to capture a little video that would show the thread. Sometimes that's not good enough, and I do have another option. If you're using an iPhone and you have a MacBook, then you have this. Here's my messaging in the Messages app on my MacBook Pro or my MacBook Air. You cannot do this on a PC, and even though there is the messaging app for Androids that you can put on a PC and you sync your Android phone to that app on your PC, this feature doesn't exist. It only exists, from what I've found, in the Apple messaging app on MacBook. And that is this right here. You can go to a message and you can click on File, Print. And you can print that thread, or I'll show you an issue you need to pay attention to. You can print that thread either to a printer or save it to a PDF. And that works really good. I've done it a couple different times in this testing, and it works great. What you see right here is exactly what will be either on the printer or in the PDF. Now, here's the problem with that. Here's a thread right here. This thread is probably over a year old. It may be longer than that. It's been going on for a long time. The problem with this print functionality I'm sharing with you is when you print or save to PDF, it will only print or save to PDF what you have seen at this moment in the app. So if I go back so far and I only go to Friday, when I do File, Print, it is only going to print, see it's spinning? It's only going to print 21 pages. But there's way more than 21 pages here. I've done it before. There's over 169 pages in this entire thread. So what you have to do in order to make this work is you have to scroll back as far as you want to print. Scroll back as far as you want to save to PDF. Because again, it's only going to save what is seen, scrolled through on the app at this moment. So I got to scroll all the way back, keep scrolling as far back as I want. Again, this is over a year old, probably a couple years old. But now, because I've scrolled back to, where am I? I'm back to June 7th. When I do File, Print, which I'm not going to do right now, it'll sit there and spin for a long time, putting together that information in order to print to a printer, which might be crazy, or save to PDF. So you got to be patient if you scroll back across a long thread. Now, I've done it where I've gotten 169 pages in the PDF, and it worked, and I still had not gone all the way back to the beginning of this thread. So, bottom line, if you want to capture the text thread from your iPhone, you need a MacBook or MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, and you need the Messages app in order to do it. Again, I have not, when you use the Android app, I have found that you can see all your text messaging, you can see the entire thread, but there is no file print, there's no file save feature in the Android version on a PC. The Android version app, you cannot put on a Mac? I wish I had a better answer. Haven't come up with one. Yes, maybe there are third-party apps that you could use, but I'm not recommending those at this time. Hey, I'm Teddy. I'm all about helping you overcome the risks and fears of using technology, and I hope this is useful for you.